The following tutorial outlines how to upload a report that's related to one of the Surat 1 case studies or a publication to be shared across the Surat 1 cluster. So the first step is to go to the TOXBANK website at services.toxbank.net, enter your username and password. In this case, we're going to upload a report or a publication. So we go to the top of the screen where it says upload. We're going to upload. In this case, we're going to upload a document. So clicking on upload document. The first step is to select that document. It could be a Word or a PDF file. In this case, it's I'm calling this a final report. So we have a name. So I'm just going to type in the name, type in the abstract. In this case, it is a report we're going to upload. You would type in the authors, and you can add any number of authors, but just type in the first few letters of the author. Here you'll see the options, and then you can select that. Again, you can type in the first few letters of the owning organization. If there are any access level restrictions, then you can then say it belongs to a particular consortium or only can be viewed across the whole of Surat, or even you can make the report public. This is version 1, but at a later time you may want to add a new version of the report. If this is associated, or this publication or report is associated with a particular case study, then it's important to select in the keywords the specific case study it's associated with. So here we can select that. But there may be other keywords that we want to also add. For example, this is looking into the bile salt export pump. You may be having, for example, specific chemicals that have been tested. It may also have different cell lines that you wish to include as keywords to the report. If all that information looks okay, the next step is just to click on preview. And then what this will give you an opportunity is to review the information we just loaded before making it available to the cluster. So here's the document can be downloaded. We have a unique number for this report. I'm just going to copy that so I can show how we could search for that information. Here's the title and abstract, the authors, the keywords, and if that looks okay, we can go ahead and publish this this report. I'm just going to go back to the first page. So if we now click on Upload Status Dashboard to see all the new information that's been uploaded, here you'll be able to see the different tests. So here you can see for this particular case study that now we've included the final report is associated with this case study, and here, as well as all the other information that's been uploaded into the warehouse. We could even search the warehouse. So anytime you now search the warehouse, so if we search for that specific report, you'll get that entry and be able to access that record and download the report. So that summarizes how to upload a report or publication specifically that is associated with a case study. However, if it's a general publication or report that's of interest to the cluster, it's not necessary to associate it with a case study, but it would be important to add keywords to support searching.